once you're off-roading, you see an obstacle, and then you have it in your mind that you have to do that obstacle again. That is kind of an ego that comes into off-roading.
RFC is not for the faint-hearted. I'm Gurmeet Vetri and I'm from Chandigarh.
My name is Kripal Singh Tung.
I've been off-roading since 2012 and I'm into real estate business.
I'm into hospitality sector. So there's a lot of pressure for us. We are the defending champions, so we have to give our best.
Off-roading, actually, for me, it's a stress buster. Actually, I really enjoy it.
RFC is definitely on a bigger area. It's a competition, so it's not a daily off-roading Sunday break for us. And the level over here, like there are 40 participants this time, so there's a lot of pressure for us. We are the defending champions, so we have to give our best. Hopefully, we'll come on top this time also.
Actually, it's three things: the car, the driver, and the co-driver. That's the very important part. Without co-driver, you can't do anything. Me and my co-driver, we are together since 2014.
I am the one who's always outside the car and doing all the heavy stuff, doing the wrenching and everything. So quite a exercise it is. Fitness is the most important thing for a co-driver to have. I'm 8 kilos lighter than last year. People say it's a co-driver who wins the RFC, but I'm a firm believer in the driver. I think the driver is the most important part in the car. The co-driver is there to help the driver, but it is the driver who is the main guy.
RFC से सबसे अच्छा फ़ायदा ये हुआ कि हम एक ऑल ओवर इंडिया से हमें एक अलग अलग तरह के लोग, नए फ्रेंड्स मिलते हैं हर बार, और बहुत अच्छा एक बॉन्ड सबके साथ हुआ है. ये तो नॉर्मली वैसे बहुत कम चांस होगा हमारे लिए कि हम साउथ में आए और उनसे कहीं से मिले या राजस्थान में जाएं. तो एक अच्छे फ्रेंड्स बनाते हैं और यहाँ से भी हमारे पास नॉर्थ में भी आते हैं. सो इट्स अ गुड वे टू मेक फ्रेंड्स. बिफोर RFC एक्चुअली पहले तो हमारा एक क्लब है गिरारिया ऑफ चंडीगढ़. तो इससे पहले जितने भी ऑल इंडिया जितने भी इवेंट थे जो राजस्थान में है या साउथ में है या नॉर्थ में है, वो सारे हम करते थे. लेकिन जब से RFC आया, इट्स लाइक अ ड्रीम कम ट्रू. एवरी ऑफ रोडर वी वांट टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ RFC. I'm a car freak actually, so anything automobile related to traction. I drive a Mercedes CLS. It's a 2015 model.
I drive a 2017 Toyota Land Cruiser and a Mercedes S-Class and a Ford Endeavour 2016 model. These are my daily cars. My driver Gurmeet Vetri is a firm believer in simplicity.
My vehicle actually it's a very basic setup. Most of the things I build it myself.
It's a simple 1.6 Gypsy running a Baleno engine. Has a come-up fence and has a coil-over suspension, and that's it.
Yeah, it is dangerous. Actually, every sport is dangerous. We are very careful about safety features and all. We have roll cages and rally seats and 4-pointer seat belt. We definitely try to make it safer.
There are 40 participants and the competition has grown year by year every time it is. But this time people have we couldn't imagine what people are bringing V8 engines, and so it's quite fierce competition coming from Malaysian guys. There is a club member Kabir, there's one Jagat Najappa.
Competition is gonna be very tough this time.